Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to draw hair, mostly black hairstyles, locks, braids and cornrows. Today's style of drawing is heavily inspired by the way Vegalia does it. She also has a YouTube channel. She basically makes custom digital brushes for drawing hair and they're pretty good. And they make drawing hair so much easier and so much faster and so much fun. Mostly for Procreate, Clip Studio and Photoshop. Recently she also made some for Ibis Paint. With Ibis Paint you can only edit the default shapes, meaning you can only use the shapes that are on the app. Likely you can still work your way around and make similar brushes. Though they might not be as good as Procreate and Clip Studio brushes, they can still have a similar effect. So these are the ones that I'll be using for the video. And next, look for reference images. I find mine on Pinterest. Firstly, draw where the hairline is going to go. And from that, you're going to draw sections in which the braid is going to go. Then you use the braid brush, as you can see on the screen, in the sections that you've created. Using a regular brush, you're going to add more details and erase where you don't need. And add more details too. Now it's time to color the hair. Color each individual braid according to the sections that we've made. This is the finished look. Next we're going to draw locks. Similar concept as the first one, except you draw squares, section squares. Add the individual locks, erasing where the interlock or where they are not supposed to be. Using a regular brush, you add more details and you're done. Add the flat colors according to the sections, just like the previous. You add more details, add brush strokes leading towards each section, giving the impression of hair being pulled into a lock. And this is the final result. Tell me what you think in the comments. Last hairstyle, I'm going to do an updo, pulled into hair being pulled into an updo. So this is the process. And that's it. Let me know what you think of this way of drawing hair in the comment sections, and if you made it this far, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.